Keeping them honest now on the notion that gun violence has more to do with video game weapons than real ones. Vice President Biden met today with representatives from the video gaming industry. The Newtown killer was reportedly obsessed with violent games, as other killers have been, of course. And people are concerned that bloody games, gory movies, brutal TV shows are doing bad things to our kids. So you can see why culture would be part of the conversation about preventing another Sandy Hook. Now, pro or anti-gun, Republican or Democrat, a lot of people do agree on that. Take a look.
Vicious, violent video games with names like Bulletstorm, Grand Theft Auto, Mortal Kombat, and Splatterhouse.
The violence in the entertainment culture.
What about the violence in our video games?
The depiction of these assault weapons again and again.
Violence, the realism that you find in games and movies.
The corrosive influence of a violent-oriented world.
Oh, you get the idea. Now, keeping them honest, though, there's not a lot of good science behind it, and because of that, different studies have reached different conclusions. Two headlines of comprehensive reviews of all the available research tell the story. First, from Iowa State University, quote, ISU study proves conclusively that violent video game play makes more aggressive kids. Now, here's one from the technology news site Ars Technica, quote, meta-analysis uncovers no real link between violence and gaming. Two headlines, two reputable research psychologists, each looking at many individual studies and arriving at totally opposite conclusion. Then there's this. As video game sales have soared, violence by males aged 10 to 24 has actually been going down, plummeting. That's according to the Centers for Disease Control. There's also the fact that many other countries with big sales of violent games also have very low rates of violent youth crime. Now, given all that, is focusing on links between violent media and bad actors even useful, and if so, under what circumstances?